Alright guys, so today we're in the kitchen and I'm going to be making one of my favorite meals for you guys, hopefully with the help of my wife after she gets home. My portion of this is going to be the black-eyed peas and ham hocks, and hopefully I can get her to get on camera to show you how she makes her greens and bacon. But anyway, I don't know if my wife is trying to pull a fast one and invite some people over because she wants me to triple everything for the ingredients. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the list of ingredients in the description box, probably along with the directions. And I also wanted to make mention that this video is actually inspired by Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. I love that channel. Helga's a great lady, and hell, she inspired me to get in front of the camera to cook you guys a meal. So, alright, so here we go. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to soak your black-eyed peas for about 4 hours, drain them, rinse them, and then fill the pot back up with the peas inside about 2 inches from the top of the peas. And then you're going to add 1 whole diced onion, but I'm going to add 3. Drop that in there. You got 3 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of chili powder. It's supposed to be 4 pieces of bacon, but I chopped up a whole pound of it, and I just put some in a bowl, and we're going to add that in there right now. Make sure that when you fry up your bacon, make sure it's crispy, and if a little bit of that grease gets in there, that's just awesome. That's just meat gravy. Then you're going to add 3 of these 4-ounce cans of Anaheim chilies. Anaheim chilies. I wonder if they're made with real liberal tears from Anaheim. Alright, so then you're going to add 12 ounces of diced tomatoes. And now we're going to add the hocks. Just a whole package of them. These ones here were frozen, but they're still a little. Actually, they're still a little bit frozen. But it's good meat. It's going to be real tasty. Once you get all your ingredients in the pot, you're going to let it simmer for about 2 hours. Okay, so while we're waiting for this thing to do its thing, I already got the cornbread made, but unfortunately it fell in the center. And since we like to keep it real on this channel, I'm not making another one of these things just for the effect of this video. This is still edible, and we're going to eat the shit out of this. So that's already done. Then I have about 8 of these bad boys I gotta peel up and get cooking right along with the beans. But hopefully, like I said, we can get my wife to get on camera, and she can show you how to do her greens. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you real quick. This is the cornbread mix that was used right here. Why it fell, I don't know. It don't make any difference. it's not going to make it taste any different because it fell in the center. Just keep that in mind. So this is about an hour and a half of cooking these beans. It's looking pretty damn good. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so I guess I'm going to make these greens. Wife came home, she's tired, she don't feel good, so I'm doing it. So let's hope I don't mess them up. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your bacon. And you're going to cook that, make it crispy. Then you're going to take some onion and some minced garlic. You're going to add that to the bacon grease. What I did was I added two onions, chopped up, roughly chopped. You don't have to be all fancy with it. And then 2 large minced cloves of garlic. And the way I minced it up, I just used a cheese grater and I grated it up. If you're going to do that, be careful of your fingers. Get that mixed up in there real good. Now the recipe for this particular pot of greens says 4 pieces of bacon, but you know how we do it on this channel. 1 pound of bacon between the greens and the beans, or the greens and the peas. And then the next ingredient you're going to add a pinch of red pepper flake. And stir that around real good. That's some smell-o-vision right there. Boy, that smells good. Now, the recipe calls for some olive oil, but I don't have any and I'm not going to worry about it. So then we're going to take our greens, we're going to cheat, and we're going to use these ones that are already cut up. I don't have the time or the patience to trim greens. So I'm going to take this, we're going to dump all this in there. We're going to take some mustard greens. Mustard greens are kind of spicy, so we're not going to put a shit ton of those in there, but I'm going to add some. Basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to let this stuff wilt. We'll see how much all that goes right there. Now that's enough for right now. Oh shit. Nice going, dummy. Now, you're not frying, all you're doing is wilting, so it shouldn't take too long. I think that's probably going to be enough right there. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And once you get them wilted down, that looks pretty good right there. We're going to add some chicken broth to it.
supposed to be 3 cups of chicken broth per the recipe. And like I said before, when I did the black eyed peas, I'll put the recipe down in the description box. I'm not sure exactly how many cups we have right now, but it's probably more than what I need. And that's alright. Wife bought 3, so I don't know if we should use 3 or not. There you go. Put the lid on it and let it simmer. Okay, so the wife told me there was olive oil. Told me where it was at. Just kind of hid it from me. So that should be enough right there. But like I said before, the recipes for both will be in the description box below. So hopefully you guys make it, and I know you'll enjoy it because it's tasty. Alright guys, so there it is, all plated up and ready to go. Looks fantastic, smells fantastic. I'm not going to bite off of this one because this is actually my wife's. But there you go.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. We really do appreciate you tuning in. The actual recipe and directions will be down in the description box, as well as a link to Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Go check her out. She's awesome. You guys won't regret it if you're not subscribed to her. Give her a sub. She's fantastic. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. You guys have a good one.